A couple of years ago I made this video on how to make a self-contained HTML file in Quarto. Whilst the command in this video still works, it has actually been deprecated and there is a better way to do this. What am I talking about when I mean a self-contained file? Well, normally when we produce an HTML file in Quarto, we end up with a folder that contains images, graphs, other embedded files. It's not just a single file. I really like using an HTML file to be able to distribute drafts and analysis, but I want to be able to do it with a single file. In order to do this in Quarto, all we need to do is take our HTML down to the next line and then under that add embed-resources and give that a true flag. The previous indicator we were using was self-contained. Still works, but Quarto's updated recommendation is to be using embed-resources instead. When we render this, we now get a slightly larger HTML file, but it's got all of the images and everything needed embedded within it. Hope this has been helpful. Please subscribe for more videos on R, stats, AI, and random stuff.